Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over one of the most asked questions on our Facebook group and YouTube channel, Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts, whether you should get a tracked Honda or a wheeled Honda. So we're going to talk about the pros and cons today. Hi, my name is Anthony. I started this YouTube channel a couple years ago. People were asking me to do videos on from the Facebook group Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts, and I try to help you save money. I'm retired from UPS as a truck driver, and I found out that I love to work on Honda snowblowers and help people. So here we are. This is the most popular video on our channel, the one, and I'll put a link at the end of it, and we actually do an actual test on each one in snow conditions. So at the end of this video you can click on that and watch it. It has over 20,000 views, and things have changed in the last couple years. The new machines have a decided advantage when it comes to the tracks over the wheels, and we'll talk about that. So let's get started. By the way, before I forget, if any of our videos have helped you, please like and subscribe. Here's my HS Honda 624 that I bought a bunch of years ago for $500, maybe 15 years ago. And the funny thing is, I talk about the advantages of Honda snowblowers, and one of the main things is the resale value. We live in the Lake Tahoe area. I could easily sell this for $1,200, $1,500 right now. So no, I could probably triple my money. I mean, and I've had this for 15 years. So let's go started with the wheeled machines first. Now the wheeled machines are really nice because you've got the tires here. Doesn't have very much surface area touching the ground. They're easier to move. I can move this with one hand for turning. That's a distinct advantage over the tracked machines. Well, it used to be. My 624 wheel machines has a taller bucket, and it has larger augers and an impeller. Also, let me think, it's lighter. This is a 624, and I'd put this against any 928 there is. It's just a fantastic machine. The disadvantage of the tire machines is that it doesn't have a height adjustment pedal, so it kind of rides up on the hard pack. You know, you got a berm or you got hard packed snow. Okay, it rides up in the hard pack, so that's a disadvantage, and you have to also pull up on the handlebars to get it to dig into the snow. Otherwise, I really like this wheel machine because it's good for my decks and walkways. It's good for smaller areas, cleanup duty, and it's just easier to use until the new machines came out. So let me show you my new 928 with the tracks. Now, tracks, if you ask everybody about track machines and wheel machines, most people will say the tracks machines are better, mainly because of the traction. And they can climb stairs really easily. They've got good traction. Now this is where the new machines have a distinct advantage, I believe, on the wheel machines. It's very easy to use. You've got a thumb control for the height adjustment. I can adjust the height of the bucket with the thumb control, which is a lot easier than the pedal. It can dig into the snow easier. You've got more traction, so you have practically no slipping. On the tires here, these tend to slip when you come to a hard pack. So they'll slip on you. They're hard to go up slopes. If you have a sloped driveway, and it usually slips on you. And that's the advantage of the tracked machines, okay? And this machine, because it's so easy to use and so fun to use, I would have to give the nod to the track machines compared to the older HS models, which still had a slight advantage. But these newer machines have such a great advantage with the tracks over the wheels. It doesn't slip as much. You've got better traction. It's very easy to use. There's a place for both of these machines. You got pros and cons in both. It depends on what you need them for. If you just need cleanup duty, smaller areas, decks, walkways, I would suggest the tires, the wheeled machines. But for overall duty, ease of use, the advantages seem to go with the track machines, okay, folks? So let me close this one with one thought. Now, if you're on the fence about whether to buy the track machine or the machine with wheels, you know, if you can go down to the dealer and test drive both and talk to your dealer about it, they can help you with an idea on which way to go. You can talk to your neighbors. Some of my neighbors have wheel machines. Most of them have Hondas track machines. People come over here ask me all the time about it. And at the end of this video, we have a link, like I mentioned at the beginning, of an actual test that we did with the track machines and the wheel machines in actual snow conditions. It's our most popular video on our YouTube channel. So if you think this video has helped you decide or helped you save money with the over 300 videos we have on this channel, please subscribe to it, like the video. Anytime you have a question, you can ask on the Facebook group Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts, or in the comments in this video here in the description. We try to give as much information as we can. So I really appreciate you watching. Keeps me out of trouble. I'm retired now. I enjoy this heck of a lot, and I just love talking to members of the group and the subscribers that come over with their machines. I repair them, I build them. I spend all my time in the Honda shop working on these great snow blowers, the Honda. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.